Let's schedule an SMS campaign using a template you created. From the Quick Hub dashboard, open Quick Campaign, then the dashboard. Go to Templates, select SMS, then find your template and click Select Template. Enter your campaign name. Click Select Contacts. Check the contacts you want to include, then click Next. Choose Schedule. Pick the date and time you want the messages to send. Then click Schedule to confirm. Click Check Schedule to review the scheduled campaign and confirm its status. That's it. Your personalized SMS campaign, powered by your own template, is queued to send right on time.